My name is Kaiser Makule. I'm a research manager from SADTU National Office. Also a member of Education International Task Force member for teacher migration. Currently we are working on a project where we are trying to document challenges that are faced by migrant teachers in Zimbabwe with regards to their employment conditions. But we also believe that as a country we are benefiting from the skills of Zimbabwean teachers, because based on our history, where most of our members were denied critical skills in maths and science, we believe that it is also to our best advantage as South African teachers to work with Zimbabwean teachers. And currently our union, which is the largest teacher organization in South Africa, has established bilateral relations with Zimbabwean teachers, where we try to document their challenges and also share areas of best practices. But most importantly, as unionists, we believe that the workers of the world have to unite and to work together so that they can challenge the exploitations in the labor market, both in the private and the public sector.